This is Angela Bauer, and we're going to talk about how my guided math training can fit your math needs. And I've taught for 30 years, so I understand the struggles you have with a classroom full of students. It doesn't matter if it's kindergarten up to middle school, even high school. We have trainings for high school, middle school, and elementary. I understand if you have between 20 and 30 kids in your classroom with varying academic needs, varying behavior needs, and I am here to help you. Our training it's 8 hours. It includes my implementation book, Guided Math, the first 25 days on Amazon. That helps you to see the schedules and how to go from 0 to 60 without pulling your hair out or drinking two sweet teas. I show you how to use your math curriculum that your district has already purchased. That way, you're not buying a lot of things on Pinterest. You're able to use what you already have. In fact, our training, I have slides that include pages from your teacher resource book. So you understand what parts of that book to put into our guided math format. I show you how to integrate technology into one or two stations because I know that your school is paying for the technology. So we show you what sites are really the best sites for math fact practice, but how to integrate technology into your station. And we answer all of your questions. We've had people that have gone through our training that have said, I came with the list of questions and by the time I got done, they were all answered. And if not, you have my email. So if you have any other questions, or if you want to talk to your curriculum director, have them reach out and contact me. It's Angela at guidedmath.expert. Thank you.